Welcome back. Are you looking for how to eliminate double spaces in Word document? So here you can see that this article has double spaces. So if you remove it manually, it will take a lot of your time. So how you can do it fast? So for this you need to press the Ctrl A to select the entire document, or either you can select the specific paragraph which has double spaces. So since this article has so many double spaces, so for this you need to click the Ctrl A to select the entire document and then press Ctrl H. And now click the Replace tab, and in the Find What box you need to type two spaces, and in the Replace with box you need to press one space, and now click Replace All. And now this message says that there are 29 replacements in your selection. So do you want to search the rest of the document? Yes, of course. Click OK, and that's all 29 replacements have been made. So now you can see that all the double spaces removed, and so with this easy trick you can easily eliminate double spaces in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.